Welcome to SMRT.BIO. In this video, we are going to go through how to make your CV. SMRT.BIO has a strong and powerful feature that enables you to create your CV right after you have finished evaluating yourself to have a full and complete profile. To create a CV, scroll down to Promote Yourself and click CVs. Now you're ready to create your personalized CV. As you will notice, there is already a pre-filled-in template for your CV. You will have your email, your contact information, your About Me section, your passion profile, your skills, work experience, and education will be displayed. To add more information to your CV, on the right-hand side, you have specific building blocks. These building blocks contain information based from your profile. For example, the language section, simply drag and drop it wherever you like. Notice that there is also a resize icon. Simply click, hold, and drag to adjust the size of this building block. And there you have it. You can add as many as you like, and whatever you don't like, simply click, drag and drop it at the bottom of the page where it says, drop here to remove widget, and it will be gone. You can also rearrange the building blocks within your CV, so you can also customize it based on the job preference. Whether you want to show you About Me section first or your skills first, it is entirely up to you. Click on the pencil button, and you can rename your CV based on the application that you're applying for. Once you've done that, hit the forward, and you can either download as a PDF or view your PDF in the browser. In the view mode, there is also a download button which will allow you to download your CV. Once you go back the page, your CV will automatically be saved. That's all you need to know, and that's as easy as it gets when creating a CV. Thank you and have fun generating your CVs with SMRT.BIO.